So hi, good morning everyone. My name is Ashish Kumar Ranjan, and today I am here to explain something about my experience to join these classes, the English grammar classes basically. So till at the month of November, I am supposed to suggest some guy of my friend that you have to join some English classes. So one of my friend has suggested me to join the classes by the Ajaz sir, who has converted the classes in the near Buddhananda Chowk colony. So I just came here to just learn something about the English, and I'm just tell you my truth, what was the experience before the joining a class and till now where I am. So before joining the class, most of the time I have some hesitation. I don't have very much more knowledge about the grammar things, and how can we how can we manipulate, or how can we manage to do the fluency whatever we are talking in the English. So I have some nervous about I am not able to speak lots of English regarding some people, like if 10 or 12 people are there. I have so many hesitation to tell or to explain myself in English grammar. So at the time when I joining this class, it had a very best experience, like from the first day till now, the last day, like almost our courses are get completed. So all over my experience is that I learned so many things, like Mr. Ajaz sir, who really did a very great job to speak and to inhesitate to regarding about our English grammar. And also, so Mr. Ajaz sir had tell us about the first thing that if you want to learn, if you speak to learn English, if you have to learn the English, you just need one thing, that whatever that wrong or right, you have to just speak English. So this is the main first key to learn English or to speak English. So I'm just go through the path whatever he is shown to me. So I'm just continues my all the English grammar section, and also the GD section whatever we are told in the Saturday or Friday classes. So we are just continually join the classes and all. So till now I'm just say frankly that I have so much of experience regarding the grammar section, regarding my fluency, regarding my vocabulary, and also we also conduct some GD classes also, which really did a great job to enhance your English speaking courses, and also English grammar section also. So till now I am just also regarding to tell you that whoever the student have a hesitation, that doesn't mean that you don't have able to speak English anymore in your life. It's just about you have to learn more and more practice. Don't be ashamed to speak English in any people, regarding your friends, regarding your family, regarding your group circle, because this is the main key, that if you want to learn the English, you have to remove your shame from the friend circle also. So just do your practice best and best more. So till now whatever I am speaking, it's just only because of Mr. Ajaz sir, who already give a very impact study time, impact quality time on us, so that we can speak, learn and learn more English. So thank you, and all the best for your future.